Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. This is an essential skill for coordinating with team members, clients, or anyone you need to meet with, and Outlook makes it incredibly straightforward to set up and manage these appointments. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. This will load in all your emails and give you access to the full suite of Outlook features. Just wait a moment while everything loads up, as it may take a few seconds depending on how many emails and calendar entries you have. Once your email has been loaded and you're viewing your inbox, it's time to navigate to the calendar section. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see several icons representing different Outlook features. One of these will be a calendar icon, which is your gateway to scheduling and managing all your meetings and appointments. Go ahead and click on it to switch to the calendar view. Now your calendar has loaded and you'll see all your existing schedules and appointments laid out in front of you. Scheduling a meeting in Outlook from this view is actually quite a straightforward process, and you'll find it becomes second nature once you've done it a few times. From the calendar view, browse through the dates and times to find when you wish to set your meeting schedule. Once you've identified the perfect time slot, double-click on it. This action will trigger an event window to appear on your screen. Here's where you fill in all the important details. Start by typing in a clear title for your meeting in the subject field, something descriptive that tells attendees exactly what the meeting is about. Next, you'll need to set the start and end time of your meeting, making sure the dates align with when you want this meeting to occur. These fields ensure everyone knows exactly when to join and for how long the meeting will run. Now comes the part where you actually invite people to your meeting. Click on Invite Attendees, and you'll notice two new fields appear labeled Required and Optional. This distinction is helpful because it lets people know whether their attendance is absolutely necessary or if they're welcome to join if available. To add your attendees, simply type in their email addresses in the appropriate field, whether that's required or optional. You can add multiple people by continuing to type additional email addresses. Once you've filled in all the meeting details and added all your attendees, click on Send. This action will dispatch the meeting invitation to everyone you've included, and it will also mark your calendar with the title and meeting agenda you've specified. Your attendees will receive the invitation in their inbox and can accept, decline, or propose a new time if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Outlook that coordinates with everyone's calendars. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.